Hello there. Just finished building this small rectifier after I saw an article online talking about using the rectifier, the one that we all know, this one, AC in, DC out, easy for diodes. I built it here. Use it as no polarity DC input. That means that if you switch the input here by mistake, you will get the 9 volts with no problem. Now maybe you can see it, but the bad thing about it really, not just that you lose 7 volts sorry, during this operation, but there is something else, that the voltage drop a lot when you apply a load. Look at this. This is just an LED, so it dropped between from 10 to 804, and that's a lot. This is the only bad thing about it. Otherwise it's really fine that you just save your money, and never fry your chip while you are working on breadboard and being tired, and never make any or give any attention to your polarity here, the wires and the color for the wires. So negative, positive, no worries, everything is working fine. But let me use my dummy load. Look at the amps here and see how much this thing will drop. Now I'm gonna apply just 200 milliamps. Look at this. Usually Arduino never draw more than 50 or 60. Let me apply like go all the way up to half amp, and look at this. Started on 10 volt in the power supply, ended 8 volt here. So this is the only bad thing about it. Otherwise it's convenient, cheap to make, and save our money. And small size. I'm gonna just glue it here in this place and keep it there, and keep in mind that I have to apply 2 volts more to recover the loose in the diodes and the other things. And maybe small capacitor like this will help a lot. Let me just see if I can put one here. Here we are. Negative and the positive, and the other way around. Nice. Take away the dummy load, and the capacitor will keep the charge for a while. I can just short this one like this and switch the polarity again and see. Here we are. So this is my idea. Hope you like it. Have a nice time. Bye bye.